L&T is hiring for AI ML engineers. And the best part, freshers with strong AI ML fundamentals are also encouraged to apply. If you are interested in AI, machine learning, Gen AI, computer vision, and want your career in those fields, then you should definitely check this. So let's quickly look at these details. So the company is L&T, that is Larsen and Toubro, and the role is AI ML engineer, and the location is AMN Tower, Powai, Mumbai, which is in Mumbai. This is in Mumbai, and the role type is full time. Experience is 0 to 2 plus years. If you have zero experience, also you can apply for this role. And coming to the educational background, you must be from BE, B.Tech, M.Tech in computer science, AIML. Anyone is mandatory. Next, coming to skills, knowledge and posting location, should be knowing Python, computer science and artificial intelligence or machine learning. And minimum qualification, general diploma is enough. The job was posted on 15 July 2026 and the end date to apply is 11 Jan 2027. So you have a time till next year. So apply it carefully. Next, about the role. L&T Energy Offshore is accelerating its digital transformation by deploying advanced AI/ML solution across engineering, procurement, construction, safety, and compliance. So they are looking for enthusiastic AI/ML engineer who can build, deploy, and optimize intelligent systems such as chatbots, video analytics pipelines, engineering document automation tools, including MTO extraction from PNIDs. And this role is ideal for freshers with strong AI/ML fundamentals. And this role is ideal for freshers with strong AI fundamentals or engineers with up to 2 plus years experience in AI/ML, data science, or Azure AI experience or Azure AI services. So if you're a fresher, you should have strong AI fundamentals. And if you're experienced, you should have 2 plus years of experience. So next, coming to key responsibilities. So what exactly will you work on? So here you can see build AI-powered chatbots using Azure OpenAI, Azure Bot Service, Prompt Flow, Cognitive Search, and integrate chatbots with Teams, SharePoint, Azure Logic Apps, engineering data. You'll also work on video analytics for safety, such as PPE detection, safety violations, site hazard identification, activity track log. And another interesting use case is processing PN IDs and automatically extracting material takeoff information using computer vision, OCR, NLP, and LLM based reasoning. So don't worry, you need once you apply, if you get selected, then they'll be making you learn about these. So you don't have to worry. They have also mentioned engineering, document automation, and autonomous or agentic AI systems. Technical skills required. AML fundamentals, which is mandatory. Azure ecosystem skills, computer vision skills, NLP and document AI. So these are the skills. Go through everything. Make sure you have some of these skills. Next, software skills. Python is mandatory. Good understanding of DevOps, APIs and integration workflows. Basic knowledge of SQL and NoSQL. Next, coming to the soft skills. You should have problem solving mindset with strong analytical thinking, ability complex engineering workflows, good communication and documentation skills, ability to work with cross functional engineering teams. Next, eligibility. Coming to the eligibility, freshers with strong academic grounding in AIML are highly encouraged. Experienced engineers, that is 2 plus years in AIML roles, are welcome. Must come from computer science or AIML specialization. Guys, if you're new here, I post the videos related to tech updates, job updates, internship updates, free courses, career opportunities for students and working professionals as well. So if you don't want to miss such opportunities, make sure to subscribe to my channel and on the notification bell. Next, why join L&T Energy Offshore? Work on real world engineering challenges, safety critical applications. You'll be working on real world engineering problems and you'll be building AI agents and autonomous systems. You'll have opportunity to work with cutting edge technologies and LLMs. Then you'll be contributing to digital transformations of India's leading engineering giant. Now let's see how to register. And don't worry, I'll give the link in the description. You can apply from the link in the description. Click on register and apply. First, you need to log in. Give your mail ID and password. If you are a new user, you have to register. Click on register, give your name, mail ID, your mobile number, create a password and confirm the password and click on I am not a robot. Check this box and then click on sign up. Then you'll get a mail to your mail ID. Check that and enter here. Then click on I'm not a robot and then you can verify your mail. Then click on apply. Then are you sure you want to apply for this job? Click on yes. Then you need to complete your profile, that is basic personal sections, resume work section, by clicking this. For applying, you need to fill these basic details. So first you need to upload your resume. So while uploading your resume, make sure you have a great resume and matching the skills which they mention in job description. So how to make a good resume for freshers, I have already explained in my videos. So if you want those videos, I'll just give them in the description. And just check. So first you need to upload your resume. Click on upload resume. When you upload your resume, most of the details will be filled. You just need to check the details and just update the details if required, and then few of the details will be filled, remaining details you need, and in attached documents there are many details which you need to upload, like 10th mark sheet, 12th mark sheet, diploma mark sheet, diploma certificate, postgraduate certificate, and Aadhaar, PAN card, and CV, offer letter if you have any, last 3 months pay slip if you have any, like if you worked anywhere you might have, right, that thing, driving license, experience certificate, passport size photo which are marked as star, those are important, you need to upload it compulsory, remaining you can skip if you want, if you don't have you can skip it. In this way you can just upload the documents which are required, and also fill all the some of the details will be auto-filled by your resume, and remaining details you can see if they are needed to be updated you have to update, and if any detail is not marked or not filled, fill it. After filling all the details, click on go back. Then here you can click on apply, and you will be successfully applying for this job role, and you need to wait for further communication from L&T. About today's video. If you found this video helpful, please like, hype and share this with your friends. And if you have any doubts regarding this video or any other videos from my channel, just let me know in the comments. I'll surely reply to everyone. Thanks for watching. See you next video. Till then, keep learning. Bye bye.